We want to make Busia the top county in terms of the ease of doing business. That one I can guarantee you. That's what we want to do. Because we are not just only a gateway to East and Central Africa with almost a population of 200 million people that we believe if we position ourselves well, we can serve. And even within our own county, if you look at it, we have got a population of almost 1 million people. And with a lot of potential, young people, and everywhere where you go, it's young people who create wealth. So we want to be wealth creators in terms of leveraging on what we have both locally and even taking advantage of our position as a frontier county. That we want to make our county, to give it that competitive edge in terms of being an area that you can invest and make better returns. And that means that as a government, we'll have our part that we need to play in terms of infrastructure that we need to invest in, so that anybody who is coming there as an investor, you can get good returns from your investment. And we want to leverage that so that even the neighboring countries will find it easier that you can even have your headquarters or your regional center in Busia. And that's where we are talking of so many things, economic zones. We are looking at it like one of the easiest things that people can invest in, I can tell you for free, is the issue of trailer parks. We decongest the town. Because just depending on this equitable revenue and all that, it's not going to solve a lot of our issues. We must be innovative.
The heart of it has been around how do we support micro and small enterprises, how do we support what typically is called SMEs, how do we build capacity and build capabilities for those entities, how do we come together and cushion on pricing of facilities to be able to enable those entities. Because at the end of the day, enterprise development, meaningful livelihoods is at the heart of what we want to do for our clients and for our partners.